Hi you guys, welcome to Trinika Creates. Today I'm going to show you my Dollar Tree hauls that I've done this week. I've gone to two different stores this week for different things. I'll start with the haul that I did in my previous video where I showed you a shop with me and I was shopping in the craft section. So I'll show you what I picked up there. I forgot to tell you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get into the video now. So I picked up these wood signs. I picked up two of each of these. These are just solid wood. They've been spray painted, and they're really heavy. They're really heavy. I'm not going to use these like as decor in my house. This doesn't really match anything in my house. I'm going to use these as a base for a craft that I'm going to be creating, and I've been looking for these, so I was really excited to see them, so I picked up two extra ones, so if I come up with another craft idea I already have them on hand. So I got those, and you guys probably saw this in my last video. I picked up these two leaf little decor pieces. I'm planning on crafting with these and using this for decor. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but this kind of goes with the theme that I have going on in my dining room right now, so this might make its way downstairs at some point. You guys also saw that I picked up the wood dowels. This is going to go with the craft that I'm going to use those wood pieces for. Metallic pen. I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet. Oh, it's upside down. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. I just really kind of wanted to test it on glass. Dollar Tree sells really good glass pieces, so if you want to craft with glass and you're not sure what you're doing yet, that's a cheap way to kind of like play around with crafting with glass. Pick up something from the Dollar Tree, so I have that on hand to use later. I also picked up two of these burner covers, 2 packs of these burner covers, and so there's 2 in the pack. I'm going to be giving my stove a rehab, and I'll show you guys that. I picked up an appliance light bulb the other day. Now I have 2 sets of these to go over my stove, so I'll be doing a whole stove rehab, pretty much a Dollar Tree stove rehab, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. The other thing that I picked up was this round picture frame. I've been looking for round picture frames from the Dollar Tree and I cannot find them. I've been looking Walmart, Dollar Tree, Ollie's, wherever I happen to be, I look for round picture frames. For whatever reason, I can't find them. So I picked up this one. It's more decorative than I want, but I'm going to see if it'll work for the craft I'm trying to create. And then I also picked up this gold floral, can you see that? Gold floral wire. I'm going to use this on this frame to kind of get the accent that I'm trying to go for. If it works, you'll see it. If not, I'll find something else. But that's what I picked up. And that was my first Dollar Tree store that I went to. That was the haul that I got. So I'll show you now what I picked up today. Okay, you guys. So I went to the Dollar Tree on my lunch break, and look what I found. I have 2 of these. These are wood slices. Can you see that? I'm trying to get it so you can see the texture. I picked up these wood slices from the Dollar Tree. This was in the craft section, and I think I've seen other YouTubers who have had these, and I'm not sure if they got them from the Dollar Tree. This is my first time seeing them in any of my Dollar Trees, so I was really excited. I picked up 2 of those. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but I will be using them. This might make its way actually into my Christmas craft. So if you're going to be following that series of that playlist that I'm creating, I'm going to make it DIY Christmas decor. This might make its way into one of those videos. I also picked up 2 packs. Seems like I picked up 2 of everything. But 2 packs of Oreo minis. I don't like chocolate, so I like the golden Oreos, as long as it's not chocolate. And these are the 8-ounce bags. And usually when they sell the Oreos at the Dollar Tree, they're small, they're minis. It's not worth $1. You might as well just go pay $2, $3 and get the full size. So that was a good sale. And then this is the refillable one, so like you can fill it back up if you're just gonna snack occasionally. Speaking of which, I got 6 of these. Do you see this is the family size? How many ounces? This is 1 pound, 3.7 ounce box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch churros. I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's one of my favorite cereals. And I love churros. I've never had this cereal before, and I'm kind of skeptical because I don't like the French toast ones. I just don't like them. But I picked these up because it was a family size box. And this is a huge box for $1. And I grabbed 6 of them. So you act like I stocked up on these. And primarily for my son. He can eat. He can eat. So if I like them, I have a box. By the time I go through one box, my son will have gone through the other 5. So I went ahead and picked up those. They were $1, and I know this is like a $5 box of cereal for each one. The other thing that I picked up were these Hanes. You see this Hanes sports bras, and you see the price. They were $5.97. So I got a medium. They had every size. They sell small, medium, large, extra large, and 2XL, and that's exactly what was at the Dollar Tree. They had different colors. If you guys want to see that, check out my Dollar Tree shop with me. I show you the different varieties that they had. So I got one in black, and I had to get a large in black because I couldn't find medium, and that shouldn't be an issue. And I picked up this one. It's a hot pink. So these are the ones that I got at my Dollar Tree, the size that I needed. So not bad for $1 when these were originally $6 a piece. Another thing that I was excited to see, I picked these up before from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys can see this. These are bamboo charcoal toothbrushes, and so the charcoal is infused into the bristles. Can you see the bristles are like black? So the charcoal is infused into them, and it's a soft toothbrush, one in the pack, and it's made out of real bamboo. This brand is called Brush Buddies. So I bought these so that I can pack them into a care package. I'm going to send these to my boyfriend, and I'm going to put them in his care package. So charcoal is supposed to naturally whiten your teeth. We will see. Speaking of which, I picked up this toothpaste, and it's the same brand, Brush Buddies Herbal Charcoal Toothpaste. Now, I have tried this, and I'm actually using it now, so I picked up another one because I saw another pack in the store, and I liked it. I mean, it seemed to work for my teeth, so I picked up another one. So that's what I got from the Dollar Tree today. If you like this video, if you want to see more of my Dollar Tree hauls or shop with me, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And then if you guys have seen these things in your local Dollar Tree, leave a comment below and let me know what you're seeing, what I should be looking out for.